SUVs are meant to be practical, durable, and reliable, but some manufacturers completely miss the mark. These 2025 models are a disaster waiting to happen, with awful reliability, frustrating driving experiences, and repair costs that will empty your wallet. If you want to avoid constant trips to the mechanic, expensive breakdowns, and an overall nightmare ownership experience, do not buy these SUVs. Alfa Romeo Tonale. The Alfa Romeo Tonale may be one of the best-looking compact SUVs on the market, but underneath that stylish exterior lies a mechanical mess. If you thought Alfa Romeo had solved its reliability issues, think again. This SUV proves they are still as unreliable as ever. Under the hood, the 1.3-liter turbocharged plug-in hybrid engine produces 285 horsepower, but the 6-speed automatic transmission is laggy and unpredictable. The hybrid system is prone to battery failures, and acceleration feels inconsistent. While it looks premium, the thin paint chips easily, and the panel gaps are a joke for a luxury brand. Fogging headlights and misaligned doors are common complaints. The infotainment system constantly freezes, the climate control malfunctions, and the digital instrument cluster has random blackouts. It may have a luxury badge, but the cheap materials inside scream economy car. If you want an SUV that spends more time in the shop than on the road, the Tonale is perfect for you. But for everyone else, this Italian nightmare is one to avoid. Thinking of getting an Italian SUV? You might want to consider something else because this one will drain your patience and your bank account. Think the Tonale is bad? Wait until you see the next SUV, which is even worse when it comes to build quality. Chevrolet Trax. The Chevrolet Trax is marketed as an affordable city SUV, but the cost-cutting is painfully obvious. It's slow, unreliable, and built with some of the cheapest materials you will ever see in an SUV. The 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine makes just 137 horsepower, making highway merging feel like a life or death situation. The CVT transmission is clunky, and the engine struggles even on mild inclines. The body panels feel like aluminum foil, and the paint scratches if you look at it wrong. Owners have reported water leaks inside the doors, leading to moldy carpets. The infotainment system is outdated, the cheap plastic rattles constantly, and the seats feel like cardboard. If you think you are saving money by buying this SUV, think again. You'll pay for it later in frustration and repairs. You might think you're saving money, but the headaches you'll get from this SUV aren't worth the price tag. But what if you're willing to pay more for a premium SUV? The next one proves that high price doesn't always mean high quality. Land Rover Discovery Sport. The Land Rover Discovery Sport looks sleek and luxurious, but once you start driving it, the problems start rolling in. With a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine making 246 horsepower, you'd think this would be a solid performer. But instead, engine overheating, coolant leaks, and random electronic failures plague this SUV. For a premium SUV, the build quality is embarrassing. Loose trim pieces, malfunctioning door locks, and poor weatherproofing are all common complaints. The infotainment system lags constantly, and the climate control system randomly shuts off. Electrical failures are so common that Land Rover dealerships keep replacement parts in stock at all times. Owning a Land Rover means owning a vehicle with built-in mechanical problems. A luxury SUV should make your life easier, not more stressful. This one does the exact opposite. If you love expensive repair bills and rental cars, this is the SUV for you. Not bad enough? Our next SUV takes unreliable to a whole new level. Jaguar E-Pace. The Jaguar E-Pace is supposed to be a luxurious compact SUV, but in reality, it's a disaster wrapped in leather seats. The 2.0-liter turbocharged engine produces 246 horsepower, but it suffers from timing chain failures, oil leaks, and engine overheating. The 9-speed automatic transmission constantly hesitates, making city driving a nightmare. Jaguar's build quality is below average, with flimsy plastic parts that crack easily and trim pieces that fall off within months. The headlights are prone to electrical issues, often failing completely at night. The infotainment system crashes randomly, The gauge cluster sometimes goes blank, and the touch-sensitive controls are a usability nightmare. It may look premium, but owning a Jaguar is like playing Russian roulette with your finances. If you like constant repairs and dealership visits, this SUV will not disappoint. That was just the first 4. Are you ready for the next 3 disasters? It only gets worse from here. It might turn heads in traffic, but trust us, this is one SUV you don't want in your garage. We just covered 4 SUVs that will ruin your driving experience, but the next 3 are just as bad, if not worse. Infiniti QX50. The Infiniti QX50 once had the potential to be a strong luxury SUV competitor, but outdated technology, engine problems, and a frustrating driving experience make it one of the worst choices for 2025. The 2.0-liter turbocharged variable compression engine was meant to be revolutionary, but instead, it is one of the most problematic engines in any luxury SUV. It suffers from oil consumption issues, turbo failures, and inconsistent power delivery. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, is sluggish, jerky, and prone to failure after just a few years of use. Despite its premium branding, the QX50 feels outdated and uninspired. The paint quality is below average, and owners frequently report body panel misalignments. Wind noise is another problem, making it feel cheaper than it should. The infotainment system is slow and outdated. The dual-screen setup feels unnecessarily complicated, and driver assistance features are glitchy. The seat cushioning is uncomfortable for long drives, and the cabin materials do not justify the price tag. For a luxury SUV, the QX50 does nothing well. Its engine is a disaster, the transmission is a ticking time bomb, and it is neither fun nor comfortable to drive. But if you think Infiniti dropped the ball, the next SUV takes terrible engineering to a whole new level. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass is a compact SUV that pretends to be rugged, but in reality, it struggles with reliability, build quality, and performance. The 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine may sound decent on paper, but in real-world driving, it feels underpowered and sluggish. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts erratically, making acceleration unpredictable. Frequent engine stalling and sensor failures have made this SUV a nightmare for owners. For an SUV that promotes off-road capability, the Compass falls apart too easily. Owners report rattling panels, weak door seals that let water in, and a flimsy underbody that gets damaged even on light trails. The interior feels cheap, with low-quality plastics, inconsistent stitching, and uncomfortable seats. The infotainment system freezes frequently, and the digital instrument cluster sometimes refuses to turn on. The Jeep Compass is overpriced, unreliable, and frustrating to drive. It lacks refinement, reliability, and real off-road capability. And now, let's get to the worst of them all, a full-size SUV disaster that will haunt your wallet. Cadillac XT6. The Cadillac XT6 is meant to be a luxury 3-row SUV, but in reality, it is nothing more than an overpriced Chevrolet with a Cadillac badge. The 3.6-liter V6 engine is underpowered for such a large SUV, making acceleration feel sluggish. The 9-speed automatic transmission is slow to respond, and the engine suffers from excessive oil consumption and random misfires. Many owners have reported power steering failures that make driving unpredictable and dangerous. The XT6 does not feel as premium as it should. The panel gaps are wide, and the trim pieces often fall off within the first couple of years. Paint peeling and rust spots have been reported by multiple owners. For a luxury SUV, the XT6 has one of the worst interior designs. The infotainment system crashes often, the seats are uncomfortable, and the cabin materials feel like something out of a much cheaper vehicle. Cadillac's Super Cruise system is unreliable, often failing mid-drive. The XT6 is an insult to luxury SUV buyers. For its price, you would expect high-end quality, but instead, you get subpar engineering and constant problems. Now that you have seen the worst SUVs of 2025, let's see what Consumer Reports has to say. Consumer Reports has issued warnings about the unreliable nature poor performance, and high ownership costs of these SUVs. Long-term reliability data and owner surveys show that these models rank among the worst in their segments. These SUVs not only disappoint in performance and quality, but also have some of the lowest resale values in their categories. Expensive repairs, engine failures, and electronic issues make them some of the worst automotive investments of 2025. If you are considering any of these models, Consumer Reports strongly suggests looking at alternative SUVs that offer better reliability, driving experience, and long-term value. SUVs are supposed to be reliable, versatile, and practical, but these 7 models fail miserably. They bring constant mechanical problems, poor engineering, and frustrating ownership experiences. Before you sign that purchase agreement, do your research, read owner reviews, and make sure you are not buying one of these disasters. Which SUV shocked you the most on this list? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you want to see the 7 best SUVs that are actually worth your money, stay tuned.